guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to turn off comments on Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to turn off comment on your Instagram, so I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open your Instagram. In this, if you want to turn off comment for individual post, just you need to click on the profile icon. You need to select the post for which you want to turn off the comment. Suppose I have selected this post. You can see here top right side 3 dot, just click on this. Last option you can see here, turn off commenting. Guys, the comment has been turned off for this post. If you want to turn off all comments on your Instagram, then I will show you how to do this. Then go back, click on your profile icon. You can see here top right side 3 line, just click on this. Just click on the settings. In this you can see here third option, privacy, just click on this. Guys, in interactions you can see here comment option, just click on this. Guys, you can see here first option, allow comment from, just click on this. In this you can control your comment from here. By default it is selected as everyone. You can change to people you follow, or you can change to your followers, or you can change to people you follow and your followers. You can control your comment from here. That's it guys. So in this way you turn off comment on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.